when this doll sees the crocodile, definitely when the doll sees the crocodile, then the eyes will just sense the danger, because crocodile is a danger thing. So basically what it sends the danger, right? Whenever the body is in danger or is in the stress, the body always activated the sympathetic nervous system, and that sympathetic nervous system is activated by the central nervous system, right? Basically sympathetic nervous system is the part of autonomic nervous system, right? Sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system, enteric nervous system, they all are the part of the autonomic nervous system. So if this is the, for example, if this is the spinal cord of the doll, then thoracolumbar outflow, there are the various nerves which are coming, and they supply the cardiac part, they supply the eyes, right? Basically this is the sympathetic nerve supply, but they are not activated. This is activated when the danger is come, right? And who can activate this? Hypothalamus, right? The sensory organ sense the danger, hypothalamus got activated, this hypothalamus activated the sympathetic nervous system. And when the sympathetic nervous system got activated, what is happening is it sends signals to the heart, right? So basically it contract the myocardium, heart rate is increased, right? It sends signal to the sweat glands, so the sweating, so doll must be sweating, there is the heart rate increase, cardiac output increase, right? Secretions increase, right? So basically these are the changes which is happening inside the doll because of the activation of the sympathetic nervous system, because of the danger. But if there is no crocodile, then why this doll is sweating? So the danger is in inside, right? For example, if the doll is having a heart failure, right, the cardiac output is not okay. So what is happening is the sympathetic nervous hypothalamus sense that there is some stress, so it will activate the sympathetic nervous system. Or hypoglycemia, so sympathetic nervous system got activated.